your question paper, isn't it? PT2 question paper I asked you to do. You did? Okay. Do you want to read the answers?
Evaluate means what? Evaluate.
Find the value. Find the value of what about how much it is. That is the meaning of evaluate. Okay. Children, do you want to read the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then first question, graphic. Let me take the board. First question, all of you take your answers if you did. The graphic representation of the equations x plus 2y equal to 3 and 2x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0 gives what? The lines are? Gauri, what about those lines? They are?
Parallel.
Parallel. Lines are parallel. Yes. Because A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 not equal to. Isn't it? No. A1 by A2 1 by 2, B1 by A1 by A2 1 by 2, B1 by B2 1 by 2, but C1 by C2 not equal. So parallel. The pair of equations 2x plus y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 8 has number of solutions. How many solutions? How many solution it has? That system has how many solution? Anjali?
Unique solution.
Unique solution. Others, what about others? All videos are off. All of you having network problem? While writing an exam in this November also you can write, I have network problem. You can send that message to CBSE. That is better. They will consider that. Third question is
option which
second one, first option. Third question, 2 raised to x plus y equal to 2 raised to x minus y equal to root 8. Answer, value of y, the same question we have done in the class, isn't it? What is the value, Isha? Value of y is? Isha?
It's a unique solution.
No, next one. I'm saying third one. Value of y is? Shweta?
3 by 2.
No, y. No, that is x, no. Value of y. X is 3 by 2. What is value of y then? Shweta? 0. 0. It is 0. Okay. Now, fourth question, find the values of x and y if 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and 3x minus 2y equal to 5. Answer is third one. I will read the answers because you are not responding. No one is not responding. So I will read the question. I will read the question and answer. If you have any doubt, that time we will discuss. Okay. Actually, you don't want, but I have to do. Joseph sir asked us to discuss the question paper in the class. Not for you. I have to do that. That's why I'm doing. The equations kx minus y equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y equal to 3 has unique solution. Then value of k not equal to 3. Sixth one, if a pair of linear equation is consistent, then their graph will be intersecting and coinciding. Both can be. In triangle ABC, angle C equal to 3 angle B, that is equal to 2 into angle A plus angle B then angle B is 40 degree. 8th question, x plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus y equal to 10 as consistent. Both are consistent equations. 9th question, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Numbers are 39 and 13. Now find the values of x and y. If x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. Answer is second one, x equal to 9, y equal to 5. Find the value of k for which kx plus 3y minus of k minus 3 equal to 0 and 12x plus ky minus k equal to 0 has infinitely many solutions. Value of k is 6, option 1. If the lines represented by equation coincide each other, then the pair of equations are dependent. If lines coincide each other, the pair of lines are dependent. The pair of equations y equal to 0 and y equal to -7 has no solution because they are parallel lines, no solution. For the linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are coinciding. Condition for coinciding, that is the 5 years ago, Nauri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nauri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nauri and Sonu? It is 50 and 20, option 1. If in two triangles ABC and DEF, AB by DF, BC by FE equal to CA by ED, then last option is correct. Triangle ABC similar to DFE. Okay, Nihal. Okay. Nihal, do you want to read any one of the question, Nihal? If you want to repeat, I will repeat it.
Fifth one and 12th one.
Okay, 12th one dependent. 12th one is dependent. If lines are coinciding one upon other one, then they are called a dependent, coinciding. Fifth one, k not equal to 3, last option, k not equal to 3. Okay. Now 17th one, in triangle ABC, if angle BAC 90 degree, AD perpendicular to BC, then third option is the correct one. BD into CD equal to AD square. 18th one, the length of diagonals of a rhombus are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. The length of the side of the rhombus is 10. 18th is 10. Fisan, if you mark two options, you won't get mark for anyone. Okay, Fisan, mark only one. I saw that. Fourth answer is third one. Maria and Elsa. Fourth one is fourth answer for the fourth question is third. X equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Now, which one? Okay, 19th question. See, in the case of rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So that center angle will be right angle. So you can use Pythagoras theorem there. They are right angle and bisecting at right angles. So now dividing into two equal parts and angles are 90. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. 15th question. First option, that is 50 and 20. 15th one's answer is 50 and 20. Now 19th one, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC and PQ are points on AD and BC such that PQ parallel to DC, If PD 18 centimeter, BQ 35 centimeter, QC 15 centimeter, find AD. Answer is third option, 60 degree. Twentieth question. In an isosceles triangle ABC, AC equal to BC and AB square equal to 2AC square, then angle C is 90 degree. All circles are
Similar.
similar. 22nd, if two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are
Equal.
equal. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to AB, if CD 3 centimeter, EC 4 centimeter, BE 6 centimeter, then DA is equal to 4.5 centimeter.